some audio for that video.
Big Bird's Animal Alphabet. Hi everybody, it's me, Big Bird. Welcome to my Animal Alphabet. Before we begin, I'd like to tell you about a special sound. When you hear this sound, turn the page of your book. Want to hear it again? Ready? Turn to the first page of your book. That's the page with the picture of me standing on Sesame Street with the letters of the alphabet written on the street. Did you find it? Then let's begin. When I was a very young bird, I saw the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z on the sidewalk. I thought they made one word. Abkadefki, Jekyll-Menop-Querstuvrixes. Abkadefki, Jekyll-Menop-Querstuvrixes. It's the most remarkable word I've ever seen. Abkadefki, Jekyll-Menop-Querstuvrixes. I wish I knew exactly what I mean. It starts out like an A word, as anyone can see, but somewhere in the middle it gets awful queer to me. Abkadefki, Jekyll-Menop-Querstuvrixes. If I ever find out just what this word can mean, I'll be the smartest bird the world has ever seen. Let's see, it might be kind of an elephant, or a funny kind of kazoo, or a strange exotic turtle that you never see in a zoo. It might be kind of a doggy, or a particular shade of blue, or maybe a pretty flower. Nah, not with a name like that. Abkadefki, Jekyll-Menop-Querstuvrixes. It's the most remarkable word I've ever seen. Abkadefki, Jekyll-Menop-Querstuvrixes. I wish I knew exactly what I mean. It starts out like an A word, as anyone can see, but somewhere in the middle, it gets awful queer to me. Abkadefki, Jekyll-Menop-Querstuvrixes. If I ever find out just what this word can mean, I'll be the smartest bird the world has ever seen. Then I discovered they were the letters of the alphabet. And I learned that when you put them together in different ways, they made words. So to help me remember the letters of the alphabet, I invited some of my animal friends whose names began with each letter to visit me on Sesame Street. A is the first letter of the alphabet.
A.
And my first little visitor was an ant.
I like ants.
Ants are adorable, said Oscar, especially at picnics. B is the next letter of the alphabet.
B.
My next visitor was a good friend of the Count's. It was a bat.
Best
I'm
fly.
especially fond of this letter because Big and Bird both
Big
start
Bird.
with the letter B. Do you know what letter comes after B?
C.
It's the letter C.
Mm-hmm.
So Cookie Monster brought along
C.
a friend whose name began with the letter C. It was a cow.
Me like cow.
Said Cookie.
Cow make milk, and milk very good with cookies.
He's fine.
Cookies also start with C. Me love cookies. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. Oh, cookie, 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 start with C. Oh, me love cookies.
He's so funny.
Yeah, me say, C
He likes
is for
cookies.
cookie, that's good enough for me. C is for cookie, that's
He
good
really
enough
likes
for
cookies.
me. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. Oh, cookie,
Cookie, yeah.
start with C.
I just love this.
Oh, me love cookies.
Good night.